How to make him miss you. Sometimes in relationships, you can become so close that the spark starts to fade. The best way to rekindle the spark is to make him miss you and remember what it was that made him fall for you. Relationships also mutually end before they need to. Sometimes you can make your ex-boyfriend miss you and remember what it was like when the relationship was great. To make him miss you regardless of the specifics, create some space, control the communication, and use subtle hints like sense, spontaneity, and intentionally forgotten possessions to make him think of you when you're not around. Soon enough, your guy should be longing for you and craving that passion again. Number first, stopping the communication. Stop calling or texting him. If you are constantly calling and texting him, he won't have any time to think about missing you. Take a break from the daily phone time and wait for him to call or text. When you stop calling or texting, he'll wonder why, and this will cause him to start thinking about you and missing you. When you're not talking to him, carry on with your day. Go to class or work. Spend some time doing hobbies or watch TV. Do something to keep you from checking your phone, which will make you less likely to respond if he has texted or called you. Number second, wait some time before returning his calls or text messages. When we like someone, we typically jump at the chance to return their phone calls and text messages because we're so excited. If you want a guy to miss you, you need to create that moment of longing for your response. When he calls you, don't answer and let it go to voicemail. Wait a few minutes and then call him back, telling him you couldn't answer because you were busy. After receiving a text message, wait about 5 to 10 minutes before responding. This will give him time to start longing for your response and make him start thinking about what you might be doing without him. You don't always have to, but every once in a while make the texts and phone calls you do have with him brief and to the point. Limit social media posts. If you're someone who is constantly updating social media with your activities, try limiting how much you post. Social media posts are an easy way for people to stay connected and never feel like they're missing you. When you post less, your guy will start to miss learning about what's going on in your life. Limit communication with your guy on social media as well. If you use social media to talk to him when you aren't together, stop this form of communication for a while. He'll be wanting to hear from you and will hopefully reach out when he starts missing you. 4. End the conversation first. Start hanging up the phone or ending the text conversation before he does, especially if you're usually the last to say goodbye. Being the first to end the conversation will leave him wanting more and keep you on his mind until he talks to you again. This longing for more communication will start to drive him wild with his desire to talk to you.